These Petron based buds are a budget pair of true wireless earbuds. But what about the quality? Are they worth enough to buy? Or are they just another pair of useless earbuds? Let's find out in this Petron based buds review. Let's dive right in. Hi there everyone, I am Naman from Explorers of Fun Tech, and today we'll be reviewing these Petron based buds. On this channel, I do tech gear reviews and tech tutorials just like this. So if that sounds great to you, then subscribe for more content. Now let's start with our review. If you are running short of time and you want a straightforward answer if you should buy these or not, then my answer will be yes. They are the best budget earbuds you can get on the market, and grab your hands on them right now. If you want to buy them, the link is in the description. Now let's get deep into the review. So while reviewing these earbuds, we'll go over 6 important factors. So they are: number 1, the most important factor, which will be price; number 2, the sound quality; number 3, the battery; number 4, the connectivity and the fitting of these earbuds; number 5, the design; and number 6, some extra features and perks which you get with these earbuds. So let's dive right into it. Let's talk about the pricing of these earbuds first. These earbuds cost 899 rupees on Amazon.in, making them very cheap than their competitors like the AirPods, which cost close to 12,000 rupees. So these earbuds check off the first factor on our criteria list, which is price. Now let's move on to the second factor, which is sound quality. Talking about the sound quality, these earbuds have fantastic sound. These come with stereo sound, due to which the audio sounds super clean. But I must warn you one thing. Sometimes there are some audio issues in these earbuds, due to which the voice of the other person during a meeting goes off and it starts lagging. If that happens sometimes during meetings, although it is not a very big problem, it is very minor and can be ignored. So now let's move on to the third factor, which is battery life. Now let's talk about the battery of these earbuds. The company claims 5 hours of talk time on these earbuds, so I set out to test that out. So I used these earbuds for 4 hours straight in a Zoom meeting from 8:30 to 12:30, and the results will shock you all. At 8:30 a.m. in the morning, these earbuds were charged at 100% when I started using them. And at 12:30 in the afternoon, after 4 hours of non-stop usage, these earbuds were at 60% usage. So these earbuds only used 40% battery even after 4 hours of usage. So these show how good the battery life on these earbuds are. You can use them for 7 to 9 hours before the battery runs out, and you will have to charge these. Talking about charging, these earbuds can be charged with this case. This is a storage cum charging case which comes with these earbuds. All you have to do is open this case up and put these earbuds in, and they'll start charging. Charging these earbuds takes some time, around 1 to 2 hours, before they become 100% charged. With that, these earbuds also check off the battery compartment on our list. Next comes connectivity and fitting. Let's start with the fitting first. Now fitting is a subject which no one can review, not even me. Now these earbuds might fit well in your ear, but they might not in my ear, or they might fit well in my ear, but they may be loose on your ear. This depends upon each of our ears, which are different. So fitting is something which I can't talk about, but yeah, I obviously can talk about the connectivity. Now connecting these earbuds to your phone or laptop is pretty easy. You can just switch on the Bluetooth on your device, keep these earbuds on, and you can connect them within 10 to 15 seconds. Now these earbuds have a great connectivity feature, which is once you connect these earbuds to a device, they will auto recognize the device next time and will automatically connect with the device without you having to do anything. Don't understand what I mean? Let me show you. if you have connected these earbuds with your phone once, then the next time you open your phone's Bluetooth to connect these earbuds, they will get automatically connected to your mobile phone without you having to press all those buttons to connect these earbuds. That makes it very easy when you use it on one device again and again. But this comes with a catch too. If you will use these earbuds on multiple devices, like you would use that on your phone and on your laptop too, then you will have to manually connect these earbuds with both of these devices, because the earbud won't be able to recognize your laptop and your mobile both. But if you're gonna use it only on one device, like only with your mobile phone, then these earbuds will help you with easy connectivity. So that checks off the connectivity mark as well. As for the fitting, I can't review it. So till now, these earbuds have been doing great on our list. Now let's talk about the design and the extra features. Now before moving forward with the design and the extra features, if you want to buy these earbuds now, then the link is in the description to buy these earbuds on Amazon. Now let's move on. So these earbuds are completely made out of plastic, so you won't get that premium feel while you use these earbuds, as they are made out of cheap plastic. But that's okay, because these earbuds cost only $8.99 on Amazon. So they had to skimp out on the build quality to incorporate all the great features which these earbuds have. Now these earbuds are pretty light and you won't feel the weight when you put them on your ear. Now if we compare these to other competitors, then these earbuds are obviously much bigger and thicker than other true wireless earbuds like the AirPods from Apple. Now one of the big problems with the design of these earbuds is this big round top of these earbuds. This big round top sometimes makes it difficult to plug these earbuds in your ears. So if that is not a problem to you, then you can go forward with these earbuds. So I would say that these earbuds fail our design test, as they are made out of cheap plastic and because of this big round interfering top over here. So this was the first place in which these earbuds lose out on our list. Now the last thing is the extra features. So some of the extra features which you get with these earbuds would be hands-free calling, Google Assistant integration, play, pause and forward buttons, etc. So we have reached the end of this review, and my final verdict would be, get these earbuds. The best things about the earbuds are its sound quality, its price and its battery life. And the things where this earbud doesn't do that well is the design and the build quality, and fitting for some people too. So if these earbuds fit well in your ear and design doesn't matter much to you, then get your hands on these earbuds. Thanks for watching this review, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your audience. Thanks for watching.